side hustles that you can start using AI with $0. For me, that's currently about $2,500 per week with everything that I'm about to show you. No inventory, no employees, no paid ads. And if you're a beginner, this might be exactly what you've been looking for this whole time. With the state of the economy the way it is, this is for you. If you're new here, my name is Antonio X. Carter. I help people build online businesses that are profitable, typically showing you free methods with affiliate marketing and plenty of other different ways of driving organic traffic to your offers and putting money in your pocket. And what I'm about to show you is the exact system that I'm using right now. If this is your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Watch to the end because part 4 of this video is going to be the most important part that brings everything all together. Without it, you might as well click off the video because it's not going to make any sense if you don't watch to that point. Let's jump in. The side hustle is actually very simple. It's called digital products plus affiliate marketing. Don't tune me out yet. I understand that you've probably heard it a whole lot, especially right now. However, there's good news for you. Again, no inventory, no ads, no follow-up. All of those are things that I suck at, minus the ads. I'm phenomenal at ads. I'm actually a paid ads expert. But we're removing that from out of the equation because here's the twist. What I'm about to show you, you don't even have to create a product. What I do instead is I promote products that are already existing and proven to sell and put money in your pocket. I get paid commissions. I love commissions. My favorite are the $500 and $1,000 commissions that I get. Sometimes there's $27 and $47 commissions. Those are phenomenal because they all add up. But I love the high ticket stuff. I am currently loving something called POP, which is a program that's master resale rights, which means you have to purchase the program in order to get the rights to resell it. You don't have to do anything to it. You can sell it as is. You join a community and you also learn things from the program, which teaches you way much more than what I can teach you when it comes to making money online. You get access to $1,000 commissions and you can also enroll the program, wrap it up into some other type of package and slap any other price that you want to, which is how I'm able to charge $2,500 for some of my coaching packages that I offer to you guys. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pitch it to you right now so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm currently recommending that you purchase the POP program. You can click the button down below in the description. Once you make that purchase, I will also add on 8 weeks of my own coaching, personal access to me. I do charge $2,500 for this package, but today I'm going to only provide this once you purchase the POP program, and I'll throw in my coaching for free. Don't worry about all the extra stuff. I want to make this nice and simple for you so that you can begin making your own $1,000 commissions today. Click that link down below right now. Don't waste any time. Now, part 2 of this video, why this works. It's because you're solving real problems. That's the whole thing about affiliate marketing. That's actually what I'm really good at, is I'm good at connecting people together. I'm good at finding the problem, and I'm also good at finding the solution. So now if I'm able to link the two together and get paid to do it, I'm naturally doing something I already love to do. You like nails? You went to the nail shop. You told somebody about the nails because you just got them done. They ask you where'd you got them from. You tell them, what if the nail shop could actually pay you to tell everybody where the nails was done, right? Typically, they're not going to pay you any money. Well, in this case, affiliate marketing, you get paid. You create a system around this. You can create your own freedom. You can pretty much write your own checks, and you create a lifestyle that you have dreamed of. And you're also helping the world by creating a solution. So now in the intro, I talked about using AI in order to do all this stuff. That's probably why you're watching this video. Here's where AI comes in. Instead of spending hours upon hours thinking and trying to draw up how to do content, you can now do what takes hours and days and literally do it in minutes. I hated trying to deal with AI because I really didn't want to learn anything new, but now I absolutely love it. It's in my whole business, my photo booth business, my YouTube business. It's in everything. I personally use ChatGPT to do all of this. It creates my video ideas, my video scripts, my social media posts. I just started using Threads. I'm having some success on that. I'll just go to ChatGPT and there's something called prompts. You ask it to do something. You have to be pretty specific about it or else it's going to give you a generalized answer. The more specific you are, the better answer you will get. For example, I will go to ChatGPT and say, yo, was popping. Give me 10 ideas about making money online for beginners. I press the enter button and it will give me a list of things. I've actually created a video very similar to this, and one of the main things that popped up was affiliate marketing. I actually believe I asked ChatGPT, what can somebody do as a beginner to make money online as fast as possible? And affiliate marketing was definitely in like the top 3 things, because you don't have to create your own product, which, surprise, that's what this video is about. For my Threads account, I say, hey, here are some viral posts, and I will go and copy and paste some of the posts that I've seen within my niche or niche and that have gone viral, and I will post it in ChatGPT, and I'll say, these went viral. I would love for my story to go viral. Study these 5 prompts from Threads and recreate something for me so that my post can go viral as well. Create 25 of these for me, and it will go through, it'll analyze, it'll tell me why it went viral, and then it will recreate that type of post for my business. You know how long it takes me to do that? The most time takes me to find the viral posts, which I hate doing. It creates the posts for me in a matter of seconds. And literally all I do is copy and paste, schedule my posts out so I don't have to do it live all the time in real time. I would do this a week in advance. As a matter of fact, if you go over to my Threads account, you'll see that I post about 5 to 6 times a day. Those are pre-scheduled. That's called automating your business. That's for free. Part 4, the thing that I told you that you absolutely need in order to move forward in this video, let alone your online business, if you want to be successful and profitable and making money online. Woo, that was a lot. This is where everything comes together. This system is the 3-part system. I didn't coin this per se. Everybody who is massively successful does some type of rendition of this. I actually created a video called The $1 Million Funnel, because this is what a lot of $1 million marketers do online. So step 1 of this 3-part system is to create your landing page. If you click on any one of my links down inside of the comments, 9 times out of 10, or rather in the description, 9 times out of 10, I have what's called a landing page. I need to take my traffic from over to the traffic source. In this case is YouTube, over to my product, my ecosystem, my landing page, to where I want you to take action on something, whether you click a button or whether I'm collecting the email address in exchange for a free ebook or something, which is the perfect time for me to say, I have a free affiliate marketing starter kit for you. If you're looking to make money online and you're a beginner, go ahead and download that. Click it. It's inside of the description. That is a landing page. Once you get through that, you will also reach what's called a thank you page. This is step 2 of the 3-part system. The thank you page welcomes the individual and says, hey, I love it that you took action. Go ahead and check your email. In my case, because I do things with email, I love to collect email lists. I need you to follow these steps down below. I like to create videos and explain things because people feel like they know me if they see my face on a video on a thank you page. But after that, I give them an action. I say, click the button below, join a community, say what's up to me via email, and I will say, the button is down below in this video. This can be text if you're doing faceless content. You don't have to create a video, but lo and behold, just make a thank you page. And then the 3rd step of this 3-part system is send people over to your offer. For me, once somebody clicks the button, that is typically an affiliate offer. I have now taken them from the thank you page over to the sales page of a particular product or service. I don't need to necessarily sell it. I just need to tell people, hey, how you doing? Go ahead and check this out. And the sales page, once they click that button, will do the selling for me. And guess what? As an affiliate marketer, the sales page takes it from there. Once they make the purchase, they put the credit card in the system, the order form, they now send the emails, they now do the follow-up, they now have to deal with any refunds or issues. I no longer have to worry about it. All I tell the company, once this person makes the purchase, is give me my money. This is where the money is made. And I love this system. After you've done all of that, you've created your scripts, you've used ChatGPT with AI, you found stuff that already converts, you have a product that you know is going to do well, you've created your 3-part system, your 3-part funnel. By the way, if you need help with any of this stuff, let me know down in the comments, and then I will reach out to you so that I can give you a link to my community and we can go through this stuff together, right? I can help you with all of this for free. But I love to do all of this using a platform called SEMRush. SEMRush is completely free. Again, I specialize with free organic traffic and free resources. SEMRush has the tools, the landing pages, the funnels. You can build email lists. You're able to take forms of payment. As a matter of fact, this integrates directly with the POP program that I told you about so that you don't have to buy anything new. It's all for free. There's no reason that you cannot take advantage of this. I'm going to leave the link for that down below. As a matter of fact, hopefully in this video, I put a picture of like a landing page or whatever that I created with SEMRush. You can download that very same landing page. I'll leave a link for it down below inside the description. If I have not, scream at me in the comments and let me know so that I can hook you up. Now, I briefly talked about traffic. I kind of want to highlight this because this is huge, right? You can have all of these things in place, but if there's no customers, aka traffic, going to these funnels or your products, then all this work is for naught. And this is very simple. I know I'm throwing a lot at you, but you can put all of this stuff together very quickly, and you can be making your $1,000 sales by this week. Seriously, within 24 hours. Just as I told you before, I love YouTube. I love Threads. I'm going to go over YouTube over everything because you get to be familiar with me. You feel comfortable with me. I teach stuff. And so individuals feel better buying a high ticket product from me through YouTube. However, lots of people have success with TikTok. You have to post at least 3 to 5 times per day with TikTok. I don't have that type of bandwidth. I got kids. Plus, I just would rather create a long form video. But I post consistently, okay? Every single week, you're going to see a video uploaded by me, regardless of the platform. To hack the algorithm, you will always have to post consistently, regardless of what it is. The reason I begin to be on this journey with Threads is because I'm trying to perfect Threads and Pinterest. Pinterest, I found out, really wasn't my jam. And so I heard that Threads works very well. I'm diversifying my income and my traffic. I know I recommend a product to you, but to prove to you that I practice what I preach, I invest in coaching in myself as well. I pay money, as I paid $2,500 for a mastermind with a young lady named Sarah Finance. I'm pretty sure you've seen her online. But she does great with Threads and Instagram and some of these other platforms. So I'm trying to learn from those platforms and her coaching so that I can bring it to you, because everybody may not like YouTube like what I'm doing here. But listen to me. Don't overthink this. The whole purpose of me creating this video is to show you that this can be simple. It's not easy because you have to consistently do the stuff. That's what makes it hard. That's what the hard work comes in with. But it's very simple. You only need 1 to 2 hours a day to do this type of thing. Most people fail because they quit too early. They don't stay consistent and they overthink everything. We're not going to do that today. You don't need to be an expert at this. You just need to be one step ahead of everybody else, regardless of the market or niche, and willing to take action. Like I said before, if you're willing to get started, you're just beginning, I have a free affiliate marketing starter kit for you. All you need to do is go down below under this video in the description, click the button and download it. If you want the exact blueprint and the way how I make $1,000 commissions in that program, I want you to get access to that. Go ahead and click that link. Remember, I will give you 8 weeks of free coaching, 1 call per week with me personally as I help you build your online business. Maybe you just want to purchase it just to have access to the $1,000 commissions. That's fine too. But go ahead and click that link. And of course, the platform that I use to build my business currently right now, SEMRush, helps me build $10,000 months. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps it up. This is the simplest way in order to build an online business and make money online in 2026 using AI to do things that takes hours and days in minutes. And guess what? I'm documenting the whole thing as I do it. So stay tuned for the next video. If you want to follow along this journey with me, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now. Journey to 10,000. I want to help 100 of you this year make your first commissions. Maybe that's too low. If you want to make your first commission online, give me 100 down in the comments. I want to see you. I want to interact with you. And also tell me what you want to learn. Don't forget to watch this video next. You need this in your life in order to be successful. We'll see you guys inside of the next video. Deuces.